Hi friends, welcome to our live stream channel. This is Ariel, sales manager from Qingdao TNT Homewares, and I'm so glad to meet you here again at the online cotton fair this year. As we know, we have been a very difficult time these 2 years, not only for our business but also to our lives. But I believe we will cross over. And so first, please allow me to thank you all for your patience, understanding, and support during these difficult times. And we will do our best to provide professional and excellent business support to all of our customers. Thank you. Okay, let's start our today's show. Today I brought a collection of Willow products here for you, including Willow hampers, Willow basket, and Willow storage box. Okay, let's go through one by one. Have two individual Willow basket here for you with different shapes. This one is rectangle and this one is round. Let's check the round first. The size is not so big. It's an ideal choice for bedroom. The basket with handles for easy carrying. The liner is also removable. The removable liner here and firm handles. The entire basket is made of willow. It is weaved by our professional craftsmen. Okay, let's check the size. The top diameter 38 and the height 32. The bottom diameter 24. This is the round one.